destination. 7.20 riyad.
Lang.
Na. Grab na lang. Pasensyawan dyan po natin. Kay buntag sa'yo pa ba? Wala yung sukli? So, welcome to Malaysia. Swimming pool? Yep, swimming pool. And ay, nakasud na dyan kami sa among hotel room. Over there, below. Swimming pool. Kalor. I-room tour tamo sa Siri Pacific Hotel. Pasensya lang sa mga gamit. Kung ako siya nga place with the office table, do ka bed nga gikuan. Sumpay. Mirror. Ang hallway nila. This is the closet nila. Sliding door. Wow, automatic mo on. Nice zipper. So, muna ilang kuan. Tapos, yung bathroom, which is tako kayo kay separate shower area. Shower area. Then another door for the Kingstone. The bathtub. Kung ganahan mo mag-bathtub, ipangkapoy og biyahe for 6 hours padong diri gikan sa Singapore.
Ni konbita. Ni biyahe ta mga 12:45.
Nagpa 12:30 AM mi kay for 5 to 6 hours ang biyahe.
Yes, around 5 to 6 hours going to Malaysia.
Which is ang ilahang summit.
Dali raman ang immigration ng
Yes.
dali ra jud kayo ang immigration, ang border from Singapore, dali ra kayo kay scan raman ang imong passport.
No questions.
No questions jud kayo, scan smile. So naabot mi diri mga 6:45 na to siya. So around 6:45 ni may bawmi sa hotel, pangkapoy, naming kaon niya. Normally ang ilahading shopping mall din mag-open din mga around 9 or 10.
10, same.
So what we did, kaon mi gamay sa may 7-Eleven diri at bang naman may shopping mall diri at bang. Then ikuha mi atong city tour nila just to patay da oras sa mga hidi ay sa Malaysia. Ako rin yung suggestion ha. Isod sila o transportation. Mas nindot mo kuha mo kang tour. Siguro to. Okay, init kaayos pero
Yes, yan kainiton mo sa Cebu kay init o kalimot.
dry yung kainit,
Yes.
walay hangin.
It's 5:53. Manggawas mi, makaon mi dinner. Then after, matog Marvel Studios. See you there. Inanayan din ako siya. See you there.
So we are heading now at Marvel Studios. It's located in One Pavilion Elite. This is the biggest shopping mall in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Sa time check, it's 7:40, and then the last admission is 9 p.m. Where? Oh my God! I love you 30,000. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Going to Marvel Studios. Ta-da! Okay.
So, tu ID card is it?
Yes.
Put your name for the ID.
Armor is now. Hello, sir. Very good, sir. I've also prepared a safety brief.
Wow!
Armor is now
Wow!
92%.
We should have a selfie right here.
Hello, sir. Armor is now 92%. Sir, I've also prepared a safety brief. Very good, sir. I've also prepared a safety brief. Armor is now 92%.
So I'm entering the armor. If you hold the shield, you won't be able to see. So I'm here with the wax figure of the Captain America. Ayos eh. Laway, nitulong laway. Kaya nga fanatic kaya. Tayo sa mga buhay.
ito. So, dagko, ano ko nila nga tao?
Yes.
This is the real hammer.
The Stormbreaker combined with Groot's arm. And this is the Tesseract. The stone. The Tesseract.
Oh my god. I'm not sure.
I will try. Original cloth?
Yeah. Look at the feet.
It's very big.
This is the right size.
It's very cool. It's very bulingon.
Nah.
These are the dictionaries. The Eye of Agamotto. The book that has no pages, only one page. Gamora's sword, the green one. Groot. This is Groot. Wow. It's Black Panther. Wow. Ant-Man. Oh, nice. Dito eh. This is the building. Bag building. Captain Marvel. This is Captain Marvel. That is Thanos.
Others that predate the universe itself.
So the stones. Thanos.
Remnants of these systems were
Ancient force
singularities. And the universe exploded into existence. The remnants of these systems were forged into concentric elements. Infinity stones. My son was a fourth of the universe.
What do? What's your photo? Wow. Don't know. Ah, okay. Oh. Si Dakoan. Si Kuan ay si
Katong duck ba?
Duck. Yep. That's the duck. So let's enter the store. Don't touch, it's expensive. It's very cute. It's the first Iron Man. Wow. Ito tayo palitan niya, may? Wow. Store. Doctor Strange. Wow, legit. Iron Man is flying. I really love it. Oh. Si Shuklala. And the Shuklala. Thank you. Thank you.
We are one of the members of Avengers.
One of the members. We are Avengers now. Kabu.
item we can
Look at that. Let's go.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that. Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. This is 10 ringgit. Only 10 ringgit. See you at the next stop.